स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello everyone. So guys, here I come up with a new video on Symbiosis Set General 2021. Okay, if you are in 12th standard and wanna secure admission into the Symbiosis International University for pursuing your undergraduation program, then guys, here we launch the crash course program only for Set General. So those guys who wanna pursue the BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, through the Symbiosis, they can join the crash course and can start their preparations, or if you have already started your preparation, then you can boost through this crash course. So guys, regarding the dates with respect to the exams, so tentative dates, you can assume that first week of May your exam can be held. But guys, the Maharashtra government and even the CBSE board already declared their 12th board examinations. So guys, you can assume the dates can be postponed or can be preponed, as the Christ University, who conducts the CUET in the month of April every year, but in 2021 it is conducting twice, that is in round 1 and round 2, and started in the month of March. So guys, stay tuned to get each and every detail about the crash course. And very first one, our new YouTube channel launch named as Manoeuvre BBA Entrance, and which is very specific to the all BBA entrance exams such as the IP MAT, ANPAT, SET, Christ, DUJAT, st.xavier and others. So guys, link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. You can check the description, just subscribe the channel and get the regular update with respect to the BBA entrance exams. So guys, one more thing, if you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section, and you can also tell me that which type of video you wanna, so I will make as per your recommendations. So to get the best coaching for all BBA entrance exam preparations, you can call our board line number, the 8828581455. So this is our crash course guys for Set General 2021. The tentative dates I already mentioned a separate video on YouTube, you can watch that video also. So assume it may be held in the month of May, either in a first week, and if it postponed, then it can be jumped to the June month, or even if preponed, then it can jump to the March month. So what should be the remain same? That is nothing but your preparations. If you are totally prepared, then guys, exam kab bhi ho, even in a March month or even in a June month, okay, you can easily crack that. So prepare yourself. So in crash course, what you will get all the basic concepts, all the fundamental concepts, and you will also get the access for the ebooks. You will get access for the mock test series, both with respect to the topic test and even with respect to the full length mock test. There will be total 5000 approx questions into the practice, so you have a lot of data for the practice purpose, because guys, practice makes perfect. If you consider an entrance exam, then guys, the more things you have to focus, that is nothing but the practice. Practice on the quant section, practice on the new shortcut tricks, and all learning enhancing technique. Okay, you will get the mentorship by the exam experts and the toppers. You will learn to the topper strategies with us. All the syllabus will be taught. Okay, you will learn new shortcut tricks and approach learning, which will definitely put the cognitive effects in your preparation. So guys, major focus will be on the quant section. The reading comprehension will be there, the puzzle and arrangement part, which is quite difficult with respect to the logical reasoning, and even there will be video lectures on the GK part. You will get access for the pre-recorded videos. From that you will learn to the basics, and in the live lectures you will clear all your doubts. So approx 80 hours plus classes and doubt session will be there. All your doubts will be clear in the live lectures. So WhatsApp group will be made for all of students, so you can share your ideas, or you can also put your doubts on same. And after result you will also get the preparation for the VAT and PI. So friends, these all are the boosters you will get. So for enrollment, call or WhatsApp on 8828581455. Now these all are the plans. Now how to implement it, because we already have plans in our mind, but the way how we implement it, that's we have to learn. So join Manoeuvre live program. These the things you will be learn, the Manoeuvre preparation tools. Okay, you will get access for the pre-recorded video lectures, plus the PDF files, handout for practices and the mock test. If you have already started your preparation guys, then my advice is just try to give 1 or 2 mock tests. You will be analyze yourself at which particular stage you are. So what the tool says, it includes the 4 steps, the step 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in very first one, from the dashboard, okay, whatever the access you will get for the pre-recorded videos, you have to watch that video for the same lecture, okay, and same lecture will be carried out in the live lectures. So you will get all the basics in the pre-recorded sessions, and all your doubts will be cleared in the live sessions, as you will learn new shortcut tricks there. You will get the motivation all around, and throughout the process you will learn to make the strategies for your preparations. You will get the mentorship, and also the guidance. So after the live lectures, you will get access for the ebooks. Okay, so you have to practice from the same. Then you will try to the topic test. So you will get the topic test for each particular sections. So guys, you will get the overall preparations from these all tools. So this is all the boosters available in the crash course, guys. So if we talk about the dates, then guys, once again keep all these dates in your mind. Registration process will be start from the last week of Jan, but yes, it's around 25th now. So you can assume on 28th of Jan or in the first week of Feb, your registration process will be start. Okay, if the exam postponed, then you can assume the June month. Okay, so you can clearly focus on your 12th board if you are a 12th board candidate. Okay guys, so don't worry about the preparation. If you have any doubts and query in your mind, you can ask me in the below comment section and I will give you answers for all your queries. So friends, what are the campuses you are looking for and what are the scores you should target to achieve all these campuses? So you can enter into the Pune campus, okay, the Nagpur and the Noida Delhi campus. So out of 150 guys, you must go around 100 plus to 110 plus marks, so you can easily get enter into the Pune campus. So guys, target one of these campus, stick the photo of your preferred campus onto the wall, and guys, start your preparations. So it will knock you again and again for your preparations. And if you are in 12th standard, so friends, learn how to maintain a proper balance between these all, the 12th board and the set general. Don't worry about the 12th preparation, as you already have some basic info about the 12th, and I think you already done a lot of preparations for 12th. But guys, now focus some 25 to 35% of your time to the entrance exam, that is nothing but the set general. So once you will give the time for the entrance exam, then guys, you will learn a lot of things for the entrance exam, because entrance exam is quite new for all of you. So once you wanna enter into the top colleges guys, the entrance exam will help you out. And if you want a proper placement, then guys, prepare for the set general and enter into the Symbiosis International University. So guys, this is all from the today's video. I hope you have started your preparations, and if you have not started your preparation yet, then guys, call on our board line number 8828581455 for the live lectures, and visit the manoeuvreedu.com/bbaentrance to get the access for all these things, the books, the mock test, very important one, the sectional course. If you are lacking in any particular section, then you can enroll for the section wise courses. Okay, separate for English, separate for quant, separate for logical reasoning, separate for general awareness, and you can enroll for the full course, where you will get the mock test also, the video lectures and the PDF files. And if you are preparing for 2022, then also you can join with us. So call on this number or even all these respective numbers. So that's it. If you like the video guys, kindly share this video to all of your friends so they can also get the benefit from this video. And guys, be connected with our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe, as you will get the regular updates on the set general, and there are a lot of videos to come. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.